Hi, this is Jeannie, and I'm in Scottsdale, Arizona, and I'm at Camelback House, and I rented this Airbnb, and as you can see, it's for mall lovers. It is literally right across the street from the mall. Now, if you want to find out a lot about renting Airbnbs in Arizona, then look at my channel, because I will be renting a lot of them here. This one was called a luxury condo, and it's 2-story, as you can see, up and down. It was difficult to pull those blinds down, and I haven't gotten the hang of it, so I'm going to wait and let her show me how. But the woman that owns it is named Ryland, and she's super nice and messages you right back. And this is the front of the Airbnb, and as you can see, it's very close to the road, but you don't really hear road noise because it's very quiet in Scottsdale at this time of year. And I'm here right now in late June, and so I rented it for almost 2 weeks, and this is what it looks like. I'll be going to another Airbnb on June 30th, but this one is a condo. The next one I'm going to is a house with a pool, and I'll do a video for you guys. But just to tell you, this one only ran $103 a night, which was really reasonable. She had everything in there. It's loaded with the coffee, the towels, the dishware, everything you need. I didn't cook in here, I admit, because I'm not used to those stoves that are computerized and they're not electric or gas, they're called something else, and it's hard to use it. So I didn't need to use it because it's just me. I didn't even use the bedrooms upstairs, except for the master bedroom I used one night. But it is a good townhouse, and I'll show you the inside on my next video. Bye. And don't forget, negotiate the prices on your Airbnbs when it's off season. You can get a good rate if you message the person that is renting out the Airbnb, as long as you take good care of it. Bye.